In a world often caught up in the hustle and bustle, Spucky B has always been the voice that brings the party, the wisdom, and the inspiration. Known for hits like Hooya X and Summertime, he's captured hearts and moved feet with rhythms that make you dance, think, and feel. But now he's taking us on a journey into a different realm, one that delves deep into the hidden and exposed spaces of the heart. With his latest album, Intimate Narratives, Spucky B steps away from the dance floor and into the tender, complex world of love. This album isn't just a collection of songs, it's a musical exploration of love in all its forms. From the thrill of new love to the comfort of long-standing relationships, from the pain of betrayal to the joy of unconditional connection, each track is a story, a moment, a feeling. Through dancehall and Afrobeats, Spucky B weaves these narratives with melodies that soothe and rhythms that move. The African sounds, the soulful saxophones, and the vibrant lead guitars are more than just instruments. They are the voices that carry the stories of love proposals, assurances, heartaches, and reconciliations. So, as you press play, prepare to embark on a journey through the highs and lows of love, guided by the voice and the bilateral vision. This is Intimate Narratives, an album that will not only make you feel, but also make you believe in the power of love. Keep your musical senses engaged.